there, it's Mandy from Designer Chameleon. Today we're going to be doing the June setup in my planner. If you're a fan of planner setup videos or plan with me videos, please go ahead and give this a like. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so that you're notified when new videos get uploaded. This month, my patrons voted for an ice cream theme. And while last month's camping theme was near and dear to my heart sentimentally, this one just brings me so much joy. I just think it's so cute and summery. I just really can't wait to try it out. If you'd like to use the ice cream stickers for your next setup, obviously they're available in my Etsy shop, but you can also get them by becoming a patron over at my Patreon. In addition to the ice cream stickers for my theme this month, I'll be using some washi tape. I also have some black and white markers or pens that I'm going to be using for headers. I do have some Tombow brush markers and of course my fountain pen, which if you've watched my videos before, you know I have a bit of a fountain pen obsession, which apparently is really easy for me to say. But before we get started, I just want to make sure that I say to all of you, I hope that you're slowly able to get back into your regular routines, or at least something a little closer to it. I know that I had been so worried that we wouldn't be able to go camping at all this summer, but thankfully we are getting ready for our first trip, and I'm so excited. Like, it's going to be nice to really just get away and do things that feel normal to us. So I can't wait. So whatever your normal is, I hope that you're getting a little piece of it back soon. My first page, as usual, is my calendar page. These are digital downloads available to all of my patrons using whatever the theme is for the month. So I have some sundaes and some toppings. I think it turned out pretty cute. But for my second page, I decided that I'm going to go into my habit trackers. And I took a page out of one of my Happy Notes skinny notebooks, and I'm going to just go with 3 habit trackers this month instead of the, I think, 6 or 8 that I did last month. Last month was an epic fail for me with my habit trackers. I just did not use them, or I only used a couple of them realistically, and I want to really focus this month and narrow it down. I do have a few leftover mini habit tracker stickers from last month, and I'll go ahead and just use those to get this layout going. These are the 6-week minis, and I'm just going to grab 3 of them and focus in on the goals that matter the most to me, that I really want to make sure that I have accountability for. I've decided that I want to hold myself accountable for how much water I'm drinking, for how many calories I'm taking in every day, and how much exercise I'm actually getting. So I'm going with a really simple yes, no, or decent kind of a scale, which seems to be my go-to. I draw an upward arrow if I think I did a great job, a sideways line if I think I did fine, and then a downward arrow if I think I didn't do a good job. So these kind of methods to track your habits are just making it simple and hopefully making it so that I actually do them more frequently. And the little cute ice cream cups definitely don't hurt. Although I did think it was a little bit funny that my habits this month have to do with health and fitness and calories, and I'm going with an ice cream theme. But truth be told, as much as I love ice cream, I'm more of the person who's going to grab for a salty snack. So ice cream is a special occasion treat to me, and this won't hurt my calorie process at all. For the back of my page, I decided to do a brain dump, but I just don't like saying brain dump or putting that on my page. It just doesn't sound fun. So I went with thought sprinkles. I thought it went cute with the theme. Even though it didn't completely fit the way that I laid it out on the sticker, it still works, and I'm gonna go with it. Next up, it's time for my currently page. This is another page that I'm going to streamline down a little bit or pare down a little bit this month and just go with a few that seem really special to me and how I'm feeling about everything that's going on. I decided I would go with the ice cream cones on this page next to the few select currently prompts that I picked out. I picked out reading because I'm always into a new book. Audible is one of my favorite guilty pleasures. Starting because I know that I'm going to be starting a few new very exciting things that I wish I could tell you about, but it's just too soon. I hope you're subscribed to my newsletter because you'll be hearing little bits and bobs of what's going on over there as things get rolled out. And enjoying because who knows, we could be enjoying so many different things. So these are the ones that I went with for this month. Next up, kind of coordinating with my trackers, I'm going to be doing a page that's basically in line with my menu plan and my calories for the month. Before everything hit with the coronavirus, I was working with an awesome trainer locally, and he turned me on to an app called Eat This Much. If you've never heard of it, it's a great app. It really just lets you pick how many calories you'd like in your day and what kinds of foods you like, and it helps you create a menu and a grocery list. It's worth checking out if that's something you're interested in. So I thought this month I would take some of my favorite recipes that I'm getting off the app and writing them down so that I start repeating them and putting them into my regular rotation. And I don't default back on super cheesy things that I would normally eat when I can't think of something else to make. I separated the columns out with just lunch, dinner, drinks, and the banana split for snacks. Drinks might seem like a strange one to have, but finding low calorie drinks is really tricky. So I thought that would be important for me to have good reminders of what I can grab from the fridge. And with my menu page pretty much done, I can go ahead and do the first weekly spread for the month of June. This is the last month that I'll be using my blank Happy Planner pages because I do have a brand new 18-month Happy Planner that I am super excited to start using for the month of July. But you'll just have to wait a little bit longer to see that one. And again, if you are subscribed to my newsletter, you'll be the first to know about a very exciting giveaway that I'm doing in June where you could win that Happy Planner as well as a nice pack of stickers to go with it. So just a little hint, if you want to sign up for the newsletter, you'll be first to know so that you can jump on that. I'm using my day of the week topping bowls. I have sprinkles, cherries, and whipped cream, as well as some little colorful date stickers to go with them. I also have some planner boxes left over from last month, and the colors go pretty well, so I might as well use those. You know how I am about not wasting any of my stickers. I try and use them up every chance I get. So I'll throw in a few boxes, although getting them straight, I don't know if you have this problem, but I stink at it. So thankfully they are repositionable and I was able to move them around a few different times. But with my boxes, with my topping bowls, I'll add in a few little sundaes and pretty much call it done. Obviously, I love lots of embellishments to my pages, but it's also very important to me to have room to plan because I really do use my planners as a tool to keep me organized, so that room is necessary for me. And now, without further ado, let's do a flip through. My first page is my monthly, which is a printable from my Patreon shop. I have my habits, and then also a little section for me to keep track of just random thoughts with the super fun header of thought sprinkles. I have a page to track the different recipes that I'm trying this month, as well as my first weekly spread all set and ready to go. I have the pages for the next weeks in June as they come, and then my currently page for things that I want to remember that I'm currently reading, wishing, starting, wearing, and enjoying. And just for those of you who actually are into fountain pens like me, this is my Platinum 3776 Nice Lilas inked up with some Scipula Sweet Pink that I think just looks so pretty with the color of these stickers. My camera really doesn't do it any justice at all, so I guess you'll have to take my word for it, but it's super cute. I hope you all stay safe and healthy, and thanks for watching. Bye!